Let's go! It's taking so long. I'm gonna go reset. Where's my parts? Huh? I can't see my own parts. Let's do it again. Huh. Yahoo! Whoa. I'm the Pumpkin King. Whee! Whoa. What? My parts. I can see them. Oh. Let's go green again. Boink. This is my favorite color though, but I'm gonna try green again. It's so damn cool. Like you go to the yellow one when you go to the science slide one when you fall. Oh, that's so cool, man. Like, bro, it's a roller coaster with a box. Didn't shoot. Oh, wow, it did shoot, but it didn't go to the slide one, the science slide. Whee! Round and round and round. Wink. What the? Boog. Boog, 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 boog. Like. Ow, ow, oh. Oh, these ones are. When you go to the end, it's kind of boring because it's so long that you come back. Yeah, right. Yes, sir. Wait. What? Let's try the green one 3 times. This is the one. This is the first. Doing, 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 doing. Shoot! Ah! Oh, again? Shoot again? Gosh! Whoa, 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 whoa! Toy! Og! Oh! Okay, second time. Diva, Bulldog is Diva. I don't know what. Hold on. Is she a diva or not? Or just she says diva on her username or nickname? I don't know if she's a diva. Well, she's a real diva. If she's not, so Bo thought she's a diva. Yeah. Okay. Doing, 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 going, 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 going. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Shoot! 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 Bruh. No. 3 times next is now. I don't know. I just shot it earlier, but I didn't record it. Hold on. Is this the same move, bro? Oh, looks like the same move. Last one. Girls always pick pink, or is it? Let's go to the yellow science slide, bro. I shot it earlier, but I didn't record it. Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot! Bruh. It's this. same move again. Okay, this is the no. This is the this is the end of the time. So let's pick another color. Huh? Let's pick another color. Bro, what, 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 what? What should I choose? Diamond plate, I think. I didn't use that though. Let's go to brown. Let's go. Ooh, Punk. Wait. Go, go, go. Woo. What? Wonk, wonk. Woohoo! I think this color is like poop. Yeah, I choose the poop one. Oh, I'm so close, bro. I think I'm. Yes, sir. Ouch. Wait. Hmm. What should I choose? Silent. Marble Run Island Reborn. Nah, I won't. Nah, I don't play it. Or maybe. Wait, this the cyan one that we didn't shot the slide and I shot it with I didn't record it. Oh, I think so. Let's go. Whoa. Hey, it looks like a game, bro. Go. There's a hole there. There's a hole. Huh? I think we can go through that. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! What? What the hell? We didn't shot that one, so yeah, we shot this one. Sayang. A waste of time. Doing fine. How about you? I don't know. And there's a chat here. A diamond plate brought up. Baha? I thought this was a diamond, but it's not a diamond. Why did you call it diamond? Call it metal, metal plate. Yeah. So guys, this is the end of this video. Comment on the video. So what color should I do next? Bye. See ya.